The Smartcom firmware can be upgraded remotely, allowing you to benefit from the latest features and performance enhancements without having to go to site. Log into Texecom Cloud. Click on Site Management. Click on Sites. Click Overview. Click Smartcom. Click Upgrade Firmware. Select the firmware you want to use. Click Upgrade. The progress bar will show the current status of the firmware upgrade. Once complete, the Smartcom information will show the current firmware version of the Smartcom.